Hi guys! To see how I got this makeup look, keep watching! Today I am doing a super quick look. We are doing a charity car wash. My husband puts one on every year for the parish cupboard in our town to feed people that are less fortunate. And I'm going to be outside, hopefully in the sun, if the clouds go away. So I am using layers of sunscreen. The first thing that I put on is Age Shield Face Oil-Free Lotion, Broad Spectrum, SPF 110. And I'm going to use two foundations with sunscreen. I'm only using two to match the color better. The first one is Rimmel Lasting Finish with Comfort Serum, and the other one is Maybelline Superstay Better Skin. And I will link them, everything that I'm using, I will link below in the description box. So I mixed all of the foundations together and also the sunscreen. Next, I'm going to use my Physicians Formula bronzer. This also has SPF, and it is BB Beauty Balm. Next, I am going to use my Garnier Anti-Dark Circle Roller. I actually just ordered a dark medium. This is light medium because in the summer I use self-tanner and darker makeup, so this is a little bit too light. Hopefully the next video I do, the new roller will come in. It's still doable, I just think it would look better a little bit darker. And I'm going to put a dab of my e.l.f. under eye conceal and highlight. This is also way too light and I ordered a darker one, but my dark circles are pretty dark today. Next, I'm going to do my eyebrows with my Maybelline Ultra Brow. Oh, forgot to take off the foundation. Next, I'm going to use NYX Micro Brow in Taupe. And I'm going to use my Garnier roller to touch up my eyebrows. For eyes, I am going to use my Revolution Slay palette. And I'm going to mix the two lightest colors right here. I'm going to use my Fit Me powder in 220 on my lids first. Next, I'm going to use this orange color. Next, I'm going to use my Becca shimmer in Opal. And I'm going to use my L'Oreal Voluminous Million Lashes in Blackest Black. And I'm going to use a little more highlight. I always like to exfoliate and wipe any foundation off of my lips before I put my lip color on. Today I am going to use this super bright orange summery lipstick, and this is NYX in Indie Flick. Oh yeah, that screams summer. I wish they had this in my Revlon Color Stay. These lip colors that I love, the Revlon Color Stay over time, these will not budge. I usually won't wear a bright color like this if I'm not using a color stay, because obviously you don't want something this bright to smudge, but it feels pretty stable, like it's not going to smudge around. And I'm going to blot it so it doesn't get on my teeth or smudge. I'm going to add a little bit of cheek color with my e.l.f. palette, and I'm going to use this color right here. That's it! Super simple, quick and easy, summery look. My skin is all protected from the sun. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile. It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been.